Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to play YouTube Shorts automatically. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there is no direct way on how to do this feature or to add this feature. Like some feature in the YouTube app. And basically, they have disabled it a long time ago. And the only way to do that is to use a third-party application. And in this example, we are going just to add uh, a Google Chrome extension, and basically that would add this feature. So basically here, I'm just going to this Shorts tab, and basically I'm just going to extensions, and I'm just going to click on Manage Extension. From here, I'm just going to the Chrome Web Store, and then you can just search for YouTube scroller or auto scroll, and basically you can find this auto YouTube Shorts scroller. By that, I'm just going to click on add to Chrome, and I will click on add to extension, and basically now we will be able to start re-scrolling. So let's just mute that, and basically I'm just going to search for this, and here it will uh, start scrolling automatically. So let's just go to the last of these uh, shorts, and let's first have so we will need just to refresh the page, and basically so we can have the actions or to have this scroller to be working. And basically now we have our scroller that is set up, and basically you can start toggling your shortcuts, and as you can see it starts already shifting after uh, refreshing these uh, and basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.